Welcome to Archiflash Desktop, the only comprehensive flashcard software specifically for ARE 4.0. Archiflash Desktop is available with or without the printed cards, but in this tutorial I'll highlight the benefits and features of the software. Upon opening the program, you'll see the Quick Start page. Here's where you can select what you would like to study, how you would like to study the cards, front to back or back to front, and a Start button which begins the study session. Say you want to begin with the Structural Systems division. Select the Structural Systems checkbox, and you want to view the cards front to back. Studying back to front can be a challenge also. By reading the back first, you can test yourself to determine the topic of the card. In this case, we'll choose front to back. Click Start to begin the session, and the Structural Systems cards are presented. Now you are presented with several helpful pieces of information. First, in the header bar at the top is what you are studying. Viewing cards from Structural Systems is displayed. On the right side of the bar, it shows if you are viewing the front or back of the card as well as the card number. In the lower right corner you will also see a number. This shows which card in the session you are viewing. In this case, the first of 411 cards. On the card itself you will see an Info button. Clicking this brings up a window called About this card. You can see the card number, the primary division in which the card is located, in bold, and any additional divisions in which the card may be found. Also, you can see the content areas to which this card belongs. On the right corner of the card is a flip arrow. Clicking the flip arrow simply presents the answer or explanation side of the card. Click it again, and the front of the card returns. There are several convenient ways to scroll through the deck. You can click the next card in the deck, click the scroll bar below the card, or click the arrow in the scroll bar. You can also drag the scroll bar to quickly move to another location in the deck. If you want the challenge of studying the cards back to front, you can simply click the button. Then click Start, and you will see the back of each card first. You can also change the view of the cards to fit your preference. Click the Zoom In button to make the card bigger so you can easily see the finer details, or zoom out to see the cards before and after the current card. A great way to change up the study session is to shuffle the cards. Click this button and the current deck will be reorganized in a random order. To return to viewing cards front to back, just click Front to Back and click Start. In addition to studying by the particular ARE division, you can choose from 18 different content areas. Say you want to study environmental, social, and economic issues. Click the checkbox, then just click Start. Notice that in the header bar, it says that you are viewing cards from environmental, social, and economic issues. The first card here is from the Site Planning division, and it is the first of 120 cards. Study sessions can be easily customized by using the Create Add button. Some candidates like to study by simply removing the cards they have learned from the deck. Here's how you can do it. Click Create Add. In this case, select Create a new deck with all cards being viewed, and name it something like My Environmental Deck, and click Add Cards. Go to the deck you just created by clicking My Decks. Here you will see My Environmental Deck, when it was created, and a Delete button if you want to delete the deck. Now just click the checkbox and click Start. Again, as you can see in the header bar, you are presented with all of the cards you added from environmental, social, and economic issues renamed to My Environmental Deck. But now you have a handy Delete button, so if you have learned a card and want to remove it from your deck, just click Delete and click OK. That card will remain in the original division deck if you want to access it later. Another great feature is the Search button. Say you want to study all cards about soil. This will search all 7 divisions and generate a deck of every card that addresses the topic of soil. Now you can see that you are viewing cards from the search result Soil, and you are viewing the first of 84 cards. Again, if you want to save these cards in a deck, you can click Create Add and save them the same way you did for the environmental deck. All of the features I've discussed are explained in the Help tab, so if you have questions you can find the answer here. If you have a question about a specific card, click the tab Question this card. Here you can send us an email and we will get back to you with the answer. Or, if you have general comments or questions about Archiflash Desktop, you can click the Comments tab. Type in your question or comment and click Submit. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always call or email us anytime at support@nalsa.com. Thanks for watching.